What's up, YouTube? Donnie here to show you how to do a cabin filter on a 2013 Chevy Camaro convertible. Wow. But as you can see, it's underneath the hood, and it's going to be the front cowl piece, which is this piece right here. And this whole piece comes up to right here. It's very easy to do, actually. All you have to do is remove these three clips. 1, 2, and 3. So today you'll just be seeing me remove 2. There's supposed to be 1 there and it's not there. So basically, first step is you just take this weather stripping, pull this up, set it to the side, right around there. You don't need to go any further than that because you only got to remove this one piece. So these are push clips. So there's 2 ways you can do it. With the push clip pliers, which easily go on there, and you pull that piece out. Once you pull that piece out, you just pull this piece up, set those next to each other. Or if you don't have one of those, which majority of you guys probably don't, just use a flathead screwdriver. Get it underneath there, pry it up, pull it out. And that's that. The next thing you want to do is lift up over here and then just pull that way. And that slides on out of the way, and that's the cabin filter right down in there. Let me come around here. You have to, let's see if you guys can see that. There is a little side clip right here. You just push that so you can see that piece right there. Same thing on the other side, which is this right here. You just push that and that pops off. Next thing you see, it says airflow, and it's flowing that way because you want the airflow to be flowing in that. So if the other cabin filter, which is an aftermarket cabin filter, has the airflow arrows, you want that pointing towards the car. So you just slide this baby on up. Make sure you got the right cabin filter, which is definitely the right cabin filter. This does have arrows, and this is pointing towards the car. You take that. Don't give me a hard time. And you slide that on in. You take the cover. Boom. You put the cover back on it. You take the cowl piece. You gotta make sure you get that corner piece right. Once that corner piece is right like that, you get it in there, you fit it in just like that, and you make sure those holes line up. You take these, you just set the initial piece in place, and you take the little clips, and this is why they're called push clips, because they just push right into place. Boom, boom. And you take this, and the weather stripper might come out on the other side, but this is so easy to install. That's that. You just want to follow this around just to make sure that's all down. And there we go. And that is a 3-minute process. Well, under 3 minutes, and if I wasn't recording, it'd be shorter, on how to install, remove and replace a cabin filter. So again, you got the 3 of those, weather stripping up, pull this out, cover, and boom. That's how you do it. Now you're ready to go rolling with the wind blowing through your hair, if you have hair. I don't. I got beard here. But thanks, guys. If I helped you, shoot me a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.